Alright, so it is time to start your dirt bike. I have an old Honda XR200 here. It's air cooled, so it's a little bit finicky. So I'm going to show you the special process that needs to be done for this bike. It's kickstart, and some bikes are just finicky and they require certain step-by-step things, especially when they're cold. These air-cooled bikes are cold-blooded. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the gas on, and then I'm going to turn on the choke all the way up. Hop on the bike. Pull the kickstarter out. And then I am going to slowly kick it through and then bring it up to the top. And then once I feel some pressure on it, I'm going to go a little bit past that, bring it back up, and then it's time to kick. So this bike hasn't been started in a while, so it might take a few times to do that same process. So what you're doing is trying to find top dead center. You find the spot with the most tension, go just a little past that, and then, oh, almost had it. Oh, and I forgot to turn the idle up. This air-cooled bike likes to have a high idle when the engine is cold. So let's try it again. Rotate it. Go a little past the pressure spot and then kick it. So I'm actually going to turn the choke to half choke because sometimes it likes that better. And there we go. Idling high, but so I can just turn the idle down. There we go. That's how you cold start an old air-cooled bike.
Hey, this is Kelly from Motocross Hideout. If you're a new rider and you like this tip, then go on and check out motocrosshideout.com, either in the link or the description, and you can sign up your email and get free tips sent right to you. Yeah, thanks for watching, and this is Kelly from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more.